Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the battery cover, rear plate, and middle frame. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the retention tape that covers the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector on the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the rear-facing webcam from the cradle on the display panel assembly and disconnect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the rear-facing webcam and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the rear-facing webcam from the static dissipative bag. Insert the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable into the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector on the system board and place the rear-facing webcam into the cradle on the display panel assembly. Press the locking bar down on the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Replace the retention tape that covers the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.